Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to watch how to translate and dub your videos from Hindi to English or English to Hindi. First, run Edimakor on your computer. Go straight to Auto Subtitles for video. Upload the video. It could be a Hindi video to translate into English or the reverse. For this tutorial, I'll be using a Hindi video. To generate subtitles, just click on Auto Subtitling, and within seconds, the Hindi subtitles will be ready. Now on the right panel, click on the Translate button. Choose English as the translation language. If you're translating from English to Hindi, select Hindi as the target and follow the same steps. Toggle on the speaker. Select an AI voice to dub the video. You can choose either a male or female voice. Click Translate. Now check the translation and preview the dubbing. If needed, edit the subtitles or even switch the AI voice.
Hello everyone. Do you run a small-time business?
Satisfied with the result? Great! Click Add. If you want both Hindi and English subtitles, check Bilingual Subtitles. In the timeline, decide which subtitles and audio to play. For example, I'll mute the original Hindi audio and hide the Hindi subtitles.
Feature of the kernel is also this, that you are from these documents.
So the video is playing with English subtitles and voiceover. Finally, click Export. You can export the video with or without additional subtitle files. And there you have it. Edimakor doesn't just work with Hindi and English, it can translate and dub your videos in over 35 languages. Give it a try today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya!